And I'll tell you the story. The famous story of how we got into building things for railroad tracks. Because it was kind of like how we got into building anything in the first place. We've created many products and we're able to tell many stories, all because our customers kept coming back for more. So we got into the rail business, in the early 2000s. Started building some attachments for maintenance way projects. And it eventually led us down the path of building high rail gear. And then customers started wondering, hey, can you get me to the remote location? Soon after, we started developing the X1 hydraulic drive rail gear, and that proved the point. We came up with the first simplified solution for moving backhoe loaders on rail. And that's what we're good at doing, is listening to our customers' needs and translating it into products that deliver exceptional results. We've done it since Great Grandpa in 1929 was approached by the state of Kansas for helping fix snow V-plows on track-type tractors. In 1930, he did such a good job reshaping the wings that they ordered all of the new snowplows from him. That business grew and grew and grew, all by the same need of what we're still doing today, nearly 100 years later, 4 generations in. It's fun, it's exciting, and I wouldn't rather be doing anything else.
It doesn't matter if you're in Canada or if I'm in the Pacific Northwest. People are asking for a solution for high rail to help them with lead times, with dependability, with cost-effective solution.
It's one of those things where it's just translating the customer's needs into something that is just better.
We chose to, put ourselves in the seats of our customers, our clients.
Well, we proved what we set out to do, and that was completely have an attachment without chopping the machine up, modifying the machine to take a tracked excavator and be able to utilize it on rail.
Got a perfectly good excavator that if you wanted to take our high rail system off, you could, and it could fit a different machine.
With the X1 and the X2 solution that we provided, that's exactly what they're asking for. We're providing that solution that can be installed inside the dealerships with the dealership sales people involved.
A technician at a dealership could easily install this unit in their shop in a matter of just a few days.
And that's what we're going for. We're dreaming of a bigger vision of being able to build a dealer network that can perform these installations and have our customers get local, regional support. Just like Great Grandpa reshaped the snowplow wings, we're hoping to reshape the X2 high rail system, to change the landscape of the next 10 years for how you high rail a track excavator.